Morning, everybody. It is Monday morning, the 13th of May, and this is your pre opening comment video number 2166. Okay, there's not much going on this morning, um, and there's even less in the way of economic information being put out until tomorrow. And tomorrow we start with the important numbers. Asia and Europe are unchanged to slightly lower as far as the stock futures. Dow up 68, Nasdaq up 48, and the S&P up about 10. That's pretty much where they've been most of the morning. Um, Credit delinquencies, however, are up in the auto and bank card area, back, in fact, above pre pandemic levels. And that's going to be a problem. It's not a problem yet, but it will be a problem if we get any move up in layoffs or unemployment numbers. Uh, the chart on the screen is the Bitcoin, and as you can see, it's holding in this flag pattern that I've been putting out informationally in my commentary. And, it looks like we came awfully close to this 20, this is a weekly, the 20-week moving average, and bounced right back up and closed three-quarters up on the range, followed by a slightly higher high, higher low. This morning we have an inside day, but we are up 2,000 and on the high. So we would need to break this, and this last week's high was, let's see, 66,025. And the next high after that is 68,075. So, volume has definitely come down on this decline. And that's clearly what you want to see in a bull market. Increased volume on the way up, decreased volume on the way down. As far as the metals, gold is again underperforming the silver. Gold is down 22. I did see it down about 30, while the silver is actually up about 4.5 cents and is well off the low and right basically about two-thirds up on the range. Copper is up another 6 cents, and that has been really impressive. I'll just give you a look at that. Copper has, this was a reversion to the mean, and now we have taken off. It's an inside day today, and it's an inside week right now. But if we go through this, we should be running into some resistance back here. Let me just pull this up. Okay, we should be running into some resistance here. That's about 480 or so. 485 actually. But this is obviously a well um, a well formed market where we broke out and have had this huge run from the trading range right around $4 up to last week's high at 480, 474, 474.55. Okay, as far as the rest of the markets, the grains are basically unchanged to a touch lower. The oil, which has been down as a sector, is higher. Nat gas is down a penny, while the oil is up 62 cents. Looking at the soft, cotton is a little bit higher. Coffee is up $3. Cocoa and sugar are both lower. The dollar is down about 17 cents, and the bonds are up 9/32. As far as news out there this morning, we have Applied Materials downgraded to hold from buy at Jeffries. That one is 208.55, down $1.18 or 0.6%. Same situation at Jeffries. Texas Instruments doesn't say why. Possibly just on valuation, but Texas Instruments also down 82 cents, which is 0.4%. Nvidia, Jeffries picks that one. This is an all Jeffries morning, it looks like, raising their target from 780, something that was 150 points below where the stock was trading, up to 1200. It's 906 and change, up 7.5, also under 1%. Uh, Intel in discussions with Apollo to fund the $11 billion plant in Ireland. Who knows? Apple closing the deal using Chatgpt technology on the iPhone. Apple is up to almost 1.4%. Amazon, U.S. Investigating two crashes involving Zoox autonomous SUVs, and Microsoft is 417.65, up 291 or 0.7%, as they will invest €4 billion in cloud and artificial intelligence services in France. Okay, let's just go back and take one more look at the stock futures. S&P is now up about 1250. The Dow is up 88. That's pretty close to the high of the day. And the NASDAQ is up 67, and that too is pretty close to the high of the day. Tomorrow we have the start of the really big numbers with PPI, and the following day with CPI. I will continue to update all of the economic numbers as they come. Have a good morning, folks.